From a young age, I've been captivated by tornadoes. I remember standing in my backyard, staring at the sky as dark clouds swirled and the wind picked up. The sheer power and unpredictability of these storms fascinated me, even as a child. I would spend hours reading about them, watching documentaries and dreaming of one day seeing a tornado up close. Their raw power and unpredictable nature are both terrifying and mesmerizing. Tornadoes can form in an instant, turning a calm day into a scene of chaos and destruction. Yet there's a beauty in their formation, a dance of nature's elements that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. This fascination led me to the world of storm chasing, where I could witness these natural wonders firsthand. Joining a team of like-minded enthusiasts, we would drive for hours, sometimes days, to catch a glimpse of a tornado. The thrill of the chase, the anticipation, and the sheer adrenaline rush of being so close to such a powerful force of nature was unlike anything else. For years, we relied on our vehicles and instincts to get close to tornadoes, always aware of the risks involved. The danger was real, but so was the reward. Each successful chase brought new insights and a deeper understanding of these incredible storms. Our understanding of tornadoes was limited by our ability to safely observe them up close. We could only get so close before the risk became too great. This meant that much of what we knew was based on observations from a distance, which left many questions unanswered. We could only gather data from a distance, relying on stationary instruments or brief encounters. These tools provided valuable information, but they were limited in what they could capture. The most critical data often remained just out of reach, hidden within the heart of the storm. This all changed with the arrival of drones, which offered a groundbreaking new perspective. Suddenly, we had a tool that could go where we couldn't, flying directly into the path of a tornado. Drones could capture high-resolution images and gather data from within the storm itself, providing insights that were previously impossible to obtain. Imagine a tool that could fly into the heart of a tornado, capturing data and images never seen before. The possibilities were endless. We could study the structure of the tornado, understand its formation, and even predict its path with greater accuracy. Drones opened up a whole new world of research and discovery. This is the promise of drone technology in storm chasing. It has revolutionized the way we study tornadoes, providing us with tools and data that were once the stuff of dreams. With drones, we can now observe and analyze these storms in ways that were never before possible. It's a game changer, allowing us to study tornadoes in ways we could only dream of before. The data we gather from drones is helping us to better understand these powerful storms, ultimately leading to improved safety and preparedness for those in their path. The future of storm chasing is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Traditional storm chasing methods, while exciting, have their limitations. Storm chasers often find themselves in precarious situations, navigating treacherous roads and unpredictable weather patterns. The thrill of the chase is undeniable, but the risks are significant. We can't get too close to a tornado without risking our safety. The sheer power and unpredictability of these storms make it dangerous for humans to approach them directly. This distance, while necessary for safety, limits the quality and quantity of data we can gather. This limits our ability to collect data and understand the inner workings of these storms. Scientists and meteorologists have long sought ways to bridge this gap, to get closer to the heart of the storm without endangering lives. We needed a safer and more effective way to study tornadoes up close. Drones offer a solution. These advanced tools can fly into the storm, capturing data that was previously out of reach. These unmanned aircraft can withstand the extreme conditions near a tornado, allowing us to collect data without putting human lives at risk. Their resilience and maneuverability make them ideal for storm research. This is crucial for advancing our understanding of tornado formation, structure, and behavior. By analyzing the data collected by drones, scientists can develop more accurate models and predictions. Drones can access areas too dangerous for humans, capturing high-resolution images and videos of the tornado's structure. These visuals provide unprecedented insights into the dynamics of these powerful storms. They can also measure wind speeds, pressure changes, and other critical data points that are impossible to collect from the ground. Equipped with advanced sensors, drones can gather a wealth of information from within the storm. This information is invaluable for improving tornado forecasting and warning systems. With better data, meteorologists can enhance their predictive models, ultimately saving lives and reducing property damage. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are essentially flying robots controlled remotely. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks. For storm chasing, we use specialized drones built to withstand extreme weather conditions. These drones are equipped with powerful motors and propellers, allowing them to fly at high speeds and maintain stability in turbulent winds. They have high-definition cameras capable of recording video and capturing detailed images, even in low-light conditions. Beyond cameras, storm-chasing drones carry a suite of meteorological sensors. These sensors can measure temperature, humidity, wind speed and direction, and atmospheric pressure. The data collected by these sensors is transmitted back to our ground station in real time, providing us with an unprecedented look at the tornado's dynamics. Not just any drone can handle the intense conditions near a tornado. Storm-chasing drones are specially designed and equipped for the job. They are built with durable materials like carbon fiber to withstand high winds and flying debris. These drones use advanced GPS and navigation systems to maintain their position and avoid obstacles, even in strong winds. Some drones are even equipped with artificial intelligence that allows them to autonomously track and follow tornadoes, keeping a safe distance while collecting data. One of the most critical features of these drones is their battery life. While we're constantly working to improve battery technology, flight time is still a limiting factor. The longer a drone can stay airborne in a storm, the more valuable data it can collect. Section 5. Risky business, the dangers of drone storm chasing. While drones offer a safer alternative to putting humans in harm's way, flying them into tornadoes is not without risks. The extreme winds, heavy rain, and flying debris can damage or destroy even the most robust drones. There's also the risk of losing control of the drone. A sudden gust of wind or a malfunction could send the drone off course, potentially causing damage or injury. This is why responsible drone operation and strict safety protocols are paramount in storm chasing. We also have to consider the ethical implications of drone usage. Privacy concerns and potential airspace violations are issues that need careful consideration. It's important to use this technology responsibly and ethically, ensuring the safety of others and respecting privacy regulations. Section 6. Unlocking nature's secrets. Scientific discoveries with drones. The use of drones in storm chasing has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of tornadoes. These small, agile devices can navigate through the most dangerous parts of a storm, capturing high-resolution footage and real-time data. By getting closer to these storms than ever before, we can gather data that was previously impossible to obtain. This includes information on wind speeds, pressure changes, and temperature variations within the storm. This data can help us answer fundamental questions about tornado formation, structure, and behavior. Scientists can analyze this information to understand the life cycle of a tornado, from its initial formation to its eventual dissipation. For example, drones can help us understand how wind speeds vary within a tornado. This is crucial for determining the potential damage a tornado can cause and how these variations contribute to its destructive power. By mapping out these wind patterns, we can better predict which areas are at greatest risk. They can also help us study how tornadoes interact with the ground and the surrounding environment. This includes understanding how debris is picked up and transported by the tornado. The data collected by drones can be used to develop more accurate tornado prediction models. These models can simulate various scenarios, helping meteorologists make better forecasts, giving people in the path of a storm more time to seek shelter. Early warnings can make a significant difference in saving lives and reducing injuries. This technology can potentially save lives by improving warning systems. Enhanced alerts can provide critical minutes for people to take cover, and increasing our understanding of these powerful natural phenomena. With each storm, we learn more, bringing us closer to unlocking the mysteries of tornadoes and improving our ability to protect communities. Section 7. Beyond the storm, the future of drone meteorology. The use of drones in meteorology extends far beyond storm chasing. Drones are becoming increasingly important for a wide range of weather-related applications, from monitoring hurricanes and wildfires to studying climate change. Drones equipped with specialized sensors can measure air quality, track pollution levels, and monitor deforestation. They can also be used to create detailed three-dimensional maps of disaster areas, aiding relief efforts and infrastructure assessments. As drone technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications in the field of meteorology. Improved battery life, more sophisticated sensors, and advanced AI capabilities will further enhance the capabilities of drones, enabling us to explore and understand our atmosphere in greater detail. Section 8, A Legacy of Knowledge. The importance of understanding tornadoes. The study of tornadoes is not just about satisfying scientific curiosity, it's about protecting lives and property. By understanding how these storms form and behave, we can develop better warning systems, build more resilient structures, and educate the public about tornado safety. Every piece of data we collect, every image we capture, brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of tornadoes. This knowledge is crucial for creating a safer future for those living in tornado-prone areas. The pursuit of knowledge about tornadoes is a continuous journey. Drones are powerful tools that are helping us make significant strides in this journey. It's our responsibility to use this technology wisely and ethically to advance our understanding of these awe-inspiring and potentially devastating natural phenomena. Section 9. A final thought. Respect for the power of nature. As storm chasers, we have a deep respect for the power of nature. Tornadoes are a force to be reckoned with, and we must always approach them with caution and humility. While drones allow us to study these storms from a safer distance, it's important to remember that we are observers, not controllers. The thrill of the chase will always be there, but it's the pursuit of knowledge and the potential to save lives that truly drives us. By combining our passion for storm chasing with the power of technology, we can continue to unlock the secrets of tornadoes and create a safer world.